ॐ सुदर्शन चक्राय मम सर्वका
Hare Krishna. Today I will make Sudarshan Chakra. It is very easy to make Sudarshan Chakra at home. The material required for Sudarshan Chakra are
red and orange foam paper, scale, fevicol, marker pen, pencil, sellotape, white paper, scissor. For this shape, we have to use orange foam paper. It has white plain sticker behind it. Now we have to make line for the square. It is 15 by 15 centimeter. Now the square is ready. Cut it with scissor on the line. Cut it properly. Now the orange square is ready. Now take red foam paper. It also has a white sticker behind it. You have to make a square from it also, but it should be smaller than the orange one. So I have taken the measurement of 12 by 12 centimeter of square. Now cut it. Now both squares are ready. Behind that we have to draw circles. I use sellotape for the big circle and the jar lid for the small circle. Now draw a line like a sun ray. See, this is like a sun rays. You have to draw same pattern on both of the papers. Now cut it on the lines. Now we get this shape. This is the shape of the upper part of the chakra. For the lower part of the chakra, we have to take white paper and cut a strip. The strip should be longer than your first finger. Now roll it and stick with the glue. For more safety, take roller sellotape around the paper roll. Now cut it from the upper part of the roll and fold like this. We have to make a small circle between the orange chakra and cut it for the paper roll and make a hole between the orange chakra. Insert the paper roll in the orange chakra. Insert the paper roll properly into orange chakra. Now stick red chakra above the orange chakra. Stick properly. Now the shape of the chakra is ready and it is easy to rotate. Stick red foam paper on the extended part of the chakra. Now do good. Cut it from the other side. Now the filter can insert and decorate the surface of the lower part of the chakra with some glitter or decorative material. Because it is already a sticky foam paper, I have not used any glue on the surface. Now start decorating the chakra. I use stone, different color of stones. You can use any decorative material of your choice, and you can use any design for the chakra. It's totally up to you. Now the chakra is ready. Now hold the Sudarshan chakra on your index finger and rotate it.
I hope you like the video and you will make one at home.